product, specifically an online course, gives you this multiplication effect, gives you this ability to multiply yourself.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
So congratulations, you're already successful. You've got a business that's doing well. You're going strong, but you're wondering, how do you scale? How do you get to the next level? How can you keep building from where you are right now? A lot of entrepreneurs get stuck at a certain place, and that's because they start trading hours for dollars. And they continue to do that until they get to a point where they just can't grow any further. They have to find something else they can do to stop trading hours for dollars. And this is where the online course and the online course program steps in and is the hero of the story. Because I'll give you an example. There was this one great quote that I remember from a guy named Robert Allen. Robert Allen was the best-selling author of the book Nothing Down. And this was a long time ago. He got into the real estate education business. He was a real estate investor. He was buying houses and reselling them or investing and holding. And he said this really famous quote, and he said, "I made millions of dollars investing in real estate, but I made multi-millions of dollars teaching people how to invest in real estate." Now that caught me back then, but it also sticks with me today. And hopefully it is meaningful for you as well. And that is, you can only go so far doing the thing, doing the business, but you can go much further if you create a digital product that multiplies you. It multiplies you around the world. Right now, I have 900,000 students in 190 countries around the world. And there's no way I could have been able to do that myself by teaching classes in person or even on Zoom, right? So a digital product, specifically an online course, gives you this multiplication effect, gives you this ability to multiply yourself. Because it's like taking your brain, your knowledge, your experience, and cloning it into a digital product that you can then convey to the world. It's the ultimate, in my opinion, of speaking one to many, or being able to teach one to many. And the cool thing about an online course is that it's digital, so it's easily duplicatable. It's easy to sell. It's easy to transfer. It's easy to get people involved. And it's therefore easy for you to scale up your income to new levels. So if you're a coach, if you're a consultant, if you're any kind of person that trades hours for dollars, maybe you're a psychiatrist or a psychologist, maybe you're a coach, maybe you're consulting, that kind of thing. Maybe you're helping people one-on-one in some way. Maybe you're selling one-on-one. Whatever the case may be, and you've reached a certain plateau, like you just can't go any further. In fact, what typically happens to high-level entrepreneurs that are succeeding at that level is they really hit burnout. They start to hit burnout. They start to get really stressed out because they just can't see any way to grow beyond where they are. And that can create all kinds of negative effects on yourself, on your family, psychologically, emotionally, etc. So in my opinion, the most amazing solution is to create not just a course, but an entire online course program. And the difference between a course and a course program is you can now have, let's say, group coaching. You can build something that is higher ticket, and you can therefore now get paid a lot more for your experience and in a lot less time. So that's the idea that I wanted to share with you, the power of an online course program that you can sell for $1,000 at the minimum, $5,000, $15,000, $20,000, and so on, because you're providing your hard-earned knowledge and training and experience and skills in a group coaching environment. You're able to help a lot more people this way than just one-on-one trading hours for dollars. And of course, I am known for being an online course expert. So if you have any questions about the online course business, feel free to reach out to me. I'll have a link in the description below. And for sure, be sure to subscribe to my free newsletter, the free entrepreneur newsletter. Link will also be in the description below. Hope this was helpful for you, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Have a good one.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go.